क्या?
हाँ?
क्या?
हाँ? बिकॉज़ चांदनी अच्छी नहीं है।
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Amit and today we are with Chandni. She's our special guest who will be taking over a vlogging part for today. Let's see how she does, because anyway when I'm not getting a lot of new subscribers or a lot of appreciation, so I thought now I'll ask Chandni to give it a try. Are you excited?
Yes.
So take the camera, it's your turn now.
Okay, so where are we going today, Amit?
So we are going to city center because I need to buy a new pants. You can see what happened to these ones. Initially when I bought this one, it was not this much ripped, but then I was
Now you can see his entire knee.
yeah, I feel ashamed. Don't show it to the camera.
Hello guys, so today I have taken over vlogging from Amit. We are going shopping today. Okay, we are going to Penny's first and I'll show you around how cheap it is, how reasonable all the cosmetics and clothes there are. Okay guys, this is the famous, it's called the Spire of Dublin. With how high is this? How many meters?
I have no idea.
Take a guess.
Say 300,
300 meters?
200, 250.
300 or 200 or 250?
What is your
Yeah,
guess?
I think it's
Wait.
210 or something like that.
Now you tell me, what is your guess? What is your guess, Chandni?
I think it's 200 something like that.
What is 200
Not
something?
more
Tell
than
me
200.
Not more than 200.
Let's check it out.
How tall is it? So we are talking about this one.
It's 120 meters.
120 meters. Oh god. So if you guys don't follow us, I understand why you don't.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
I'm sure Amit will be looking at some shirts or some fancy t-shirts. See.
To see what all things I've got. This is, take a guess how much is this for?
1.5 euro.
How can this be such a cool glasses can be
3 euro.
4. And then look at this shirt.
Cool.
Nice. And then look at this.
Oh, New York. Okay.
And a plain black t-shirt. And this. So what have you got?
I've got this leather jacket. I'm not sure if I should buy it though because it doesn't really fit me, even though it's XL.
Okay. So different
I've got-
kind of problems. I have
because
the
I don't
opposite
have-
problem because I need extra large or large and she needs extra small.
How's this?
Yeah, this one is good.
Just a tad expensive.
How much is this for?
30 euro.
30 euros. Oh god. So Chandni just got this thing. She saw somewhere on Instagram that one of the influencers was wearing this, and look at how it looks on her. That's why when you follow someone on Insta, and you should be careful what to buy.
No, it will look pretty great.
No. No.
I'll just not wear it then.
So I'll quickly show you how it is supposed to look.
It's supposed to look like this.
I don't think so. So we got it from somewhere here. So this is how it should be, and and this is what it is looking right now.
No, how is it supposed to look like this? Look, my head is not that tiny. Where will the head go? Look now.
So all I've got around 7-8 things just for 30 euros, which is around 2500 Indian rupees. So I just want to show you. I'll also showing you the prices as well of the things that I got today. Like for example, this Hawaiian shirt and wait on this side. This one for example, I've got for like 5 euros. So what have you got from Pennies today?
I got this backpack because I didn't have a big backpack.
Show
I
it to
only
me.
had a small fur one.
Okay. And how
that
much
too
is this
was
for?
a gift actually. This is for only 13 euros.
Alright, that's like 1000 rupees or something in
Yes,
Indian currency.
Yes, around 1000 rupees.
And what would you have to say to the people who are coming to Ireland about the shopping?
When I was coming to Ireland from India, I didn't bring any jacket, I didn't bring any thermals, I didn't bring any. I shopped everything from here, from Pennies, and they have jackets ranging from 10 euros to 35 euros to even 50 euros, and they're so warm. I use them till now.
All right.
So
Even
do not
today,
shop from India. Do not waste your money there. You can come here and shop everything in just a single day because Pennies is right here on O'Connell Street. There's one more there down the Henry
and
Street.
this is all the shopping districts, so you can find Zara, H&M, and all those
Yes,
places
and
over
most
here.
of the universities are around city center, so it shouldn't be too far for people who study around here.